Hi, in this vlog I'll show you some details on the buggy, some details on the helicopter. These models were available for Patreon in May release, and now I'm working on the Heavy Mech for June release. And I'll show you some tests on the legs for this Heavy Mech. So let's start. Here is the buggy that was available for Patreon and now it's for sale. It has adjustable wheels on arms and they rotate. As you can see, it's on ball joint. Yeah, the front is detachable if you want. You can leave it like this, and I'll detach all the, also has a winch in front. Also I'll detach all the parts so you can see how it can be detached and assembled. A ball joint so it can rotate. And also all wheels. So wheels detachable. Here is detachable here. Now I'll show you the helicopter. It also was available on May releasing of Patreon and Tribes. It's a heavy helicopter. It has different combinations. So this is for cargo for 4 people. The seats are detachable. Also the front here, the door I need to print the glass, but it also has a variant to print it like this if you don't have glass filament. It has inside some cameras, some screens for the pilot. I need to paint them. So the pilot inside. Let's change it to the door with the glass. Pilot inside. So it has also another combination. Can be detached this one, and attach the propeller. Can be like this with the back propeller. So it's another helicopter, and this can be detached. So it can be attached the holders. One second. And here can be attached the seats for the pilots, for the soldiers. Kind of. Let's show you. Multiple positions. So here is the helicopter. Now I'll try to clean the legs to see if everything fits. Works like something like this. The extension is good.